everyone. Today our topic is work and energy. In science, work is said to be done when the force applied on a body moves the body in the direction of the force. We may apply a lot of force on a body for many hours, but if the body does not move, no work is said to be done. Therefore, work can be defined as the displacement of an object due to the force applied to it. Here we can see that the force is applied on the object and the object moves. That is why here work is done. There are three conditions for the work to be done. Number one condition is object must move over some distance. Force and direction of the movement must be in the same direction is point number 2. And point number 3 is force must be constant. For example, we may push the wall for a long time, but if the wall does not move, no work is done. Also, we might have been sitting in our room and studying for hours. Even though we did a lot of mental work, in science is not considered as work, as it involves no application of force and no movement. Lifting a book, pushing a cart, keeping a book on the table, hitting a ball with a bat, all are the examples of work. Now, we should always remember, if the direction of the force is not the same as the direction of the movement of object, no work is said to be done. For example, if you carry a book over your head and walk towards the waist, no work is done, as the force is used to carry the book where the direction has not changed. When we do push-ups, we are going up and down in the same place. Here in the picture we can see the man is doing the push-up, but no work is done, as the force is, because your movement point from the start to end remains same. This implies no work done.